In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Data Science Visualization course on Harvard, step by step, so you can start learning one of the most in-demand skills right now. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to strengthen your data science foundation, this course is a great place to start. I'll walk you through how to find the course, enroll correctly, complete the payment process, and begin learning without confusion. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software and online course tutorials. All right, let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to Harvard's official online learning platform. You can do this by searching for Harvard Online Courses or Harvard Data Science Programs. Make sure you're on the official Harvard or Harvard-affiliated learning website to avoid any third-party or unofficial listings. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of courses available across different subjects, including computer science, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Next, look for the course titled Data Science Visualization. You can either scroll through the data science section or use the search bar at the top of the page to type in Data Science Visualization. When you see the course listed, click directly on the course title. This will take you to the course details page, where you can read the full description, see what topics are covered, and understand what skills you'll gain by completing the course. On the course page, take a moment to review the information provided. You'll usually see details about the instructor, the course duration, the level of difficulty, and what tools or programming languages are used. This helps you confirm that the course matches your learning goals. Once you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page and click on it to begin the registration process. After clicking Enroll, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and account details. If you already have an account with Harvard's online learning platform, simply sign in. If not, you'll need to create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure to double-check your information before moving to the next step. Next comes the payment process. Choose the payment option provided and enter your billing details. Some courses may offer free access with a paid certificate option, while others may require payment upfront. Follow the instructions carefully, complete the payment securely, and wait for the confirmation message. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive access to the course content. Now you're ready to start the course. Go to your dashboard or course library and click on Data Science Visualization. You can begin watching the lectures, completing exercises, and following along with the course materials at your own pace. Make sure to stay consistent and practice what you learn to get the most value from the course. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Data Science Visualization course on Harvard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.